Hi everyone, this is V and welcome to Designs by V. Come along with me as I do a vlog style video showing you how I informally set the table for my family. It's New Year's Eve and we always make seafood for New Year's, and tonight on the menu is garlic bread, homemade garlic bread, some mussels, shrimp in anchovy sauce, and it has onions, green pepper, olive oil, and a little bit of butter. I also have oysters and a bit of mussels in that sauce also. So we're gonna have this with pasta. And like I told you, it's a vlog style video. I am getting ready to take my Christmas stuff down. So after dinner, I decided to let me tackle this. It takes me one day, like a couple hours, to put this stuff up. So it will take me a couple hours to get the packaging and take all of this down. I first start with getting all my picks. I'm just showing you everything that I have to do. It seemed like a lot, but it is really not. So what I do first, I always start with my trees. I remove the picks from them. The topiary that you're seeing right there, that was a DIY. The nutcracker, they were all thrifted from the thrift store. So I went ahead and I removed all of my picks off the tree, and I have a special way that I store my picks. I always store them by colors, and this is this poinsettia here. And what I do, I got it from Joanne. I just fold them, and as you see, I have them all in groups of the same. And I go ahead and wrap them. I'm going to show you later on how I wrap them in plastic wrap so I could keep the glitter and keep still. So I offer my side console table, I remove the arrangement that was there. So now this was my tree topper, and I'm up on the ladder. My tree is 12 feet tall, and I actually got this tree from the Goodwill for $1. So I took out the stuff that's in the breakfast room in order to get that area ready to lay the flowers, to lay my picks or flowers. So what I do, I have a huge plastic wrap that I got from, I think is either Costco's or Sam's Club, and not wrapping too tight because I don't want to crush my picks. Is also taking, when you start doing it, you have to get the swing of it also, so the paper will stay straight. But nevertheless, I am pushing through. I've been using this plastic wrap. Let me see, I have this plastic wrap for like 3 years now, and it's still around. And I use this to wrap my picks in. And like I said, I wrap them with like-minded stuff, like all greens together, all goes together, and so on and so forth. And I just lightly wrap them because I don't want to crush the leaves. Still wanted to keep its form, but being as I'm going to be storing them, want to make sure they're really tight. And then what I do after I wrap the like-minded stuff, these are some storage bags. I got them from the Dollar Tree, and they are the vacuum seal storage bags, and it's pretty large. And you go ahead and open them all up. This is the measurement for it, and this is how I put it. I put one down first. I laid a flat one down, and then I keep putting like-minded pieces together. So these flowers here, some red flowers that I use. It's a poinsettia with berries on them. So I just wrap it down and make sure it's covered for the most part. I'm not trying to be perfect with it. All I'm trying to do is to protect my money, my investment. Because guys, we pay money for these stuff and we would like to use them for as long as possible. So this is how I store my stuff. So that's another package with red, and I don't overstuff them. So my long stem, I fold them, and this is how it looks, is the velvet long stem. And I also bunch them together and wrap them. So I'm getting the bag together. After I finish wrapping it, I am gonna stick them in the bag. So I was trying to see if with the me bending it is enough for me to, if I could bend them a bit more. So apparently I did it good enough. So when I'm ready to use them, I will just unfold them. And you see, that's my second red package. So I don't even know why I'm showing this side now. I guess the video got messed up. But nevertheless, I show you guys how I color coordinate my things so it takes me less time getting to them. So I went ahead and I removed everything from the loft, and this is how it is looking right now. Still have to remove the glass pieces that I use for my flowers and give the place a clean. This tray here, I got it from the thrift store. I think was $4.99, and I think the other one I got it from Tuesday Mornings, and I think that one was $10. Here are some of my thrifted items. This one was thrifted for $2.99. This one I think was $3.99. There's a little birdie inside of this one. This one I think was $2.99. And I was so glad to find them because I was doing red and I'm like, yeah. So this one I think was $1.99, and this shaker was $1.05. Actually, this I didn't get a chance to show you. I show you in another video. So I cleaned up my chair already, and this is what downstairs is looking like. I still have a few more things to put away, but because I show you the Christmas decor from the top balcony, I am going to take you downstairs and show you what I've done so far. So I actually have 2 trees in here that I'm going to take out because I don't like the shape of it. This was a thrifted item also. I paid $4 for this wreath holder. I still have, this is a dress bag that I put my garland in. I still have this here on the floor to pick up. These are some stuff that odds and ends that I need to put up. Right here are some boxes that I put up. I purchased this from Steinmart when they were going out of business. This is a storage bag that I also use for garland. And this right here is some of the snow. I have to get a Ziploc bag to put it in. These are after Christmas purchase. I purchased these here from Walmart. They were $12.99 original price, and I paid 50% for them. I didn't get much this year of the after season sale. And I bought 2 boxes, and 2 comes in the pack. These are the boxes that I'd use under the tree. This area here is cleaned up. And this tree here is the 12-foot tree. I think I kind of did this real fast. So this is my the console table. Everything is picked up as the Christmas stuff. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come back and show you. Oh, but this here is the topiary that I made, topiary balls that I made, Christmas topiary, and I purchased the pieces from Michael's. I guess next year, whatever color I'm doing, I will let you guys see a DIY of it. It's very easy to make. And this is after Christmas sale that I purchased these here. And like I said, I use dress bags to put my fake snow and the garland. Here are some of the pieces that are still out. I have to take my picks out of this blooming urn and put them in one of these storage bags. And yes, I brought my light inside, my lamp, and I did use it as part of my decor. I have a reindeer to take off of it. Took out all of the red that is all over the place. And I think I did good to have everything all down. So now here comes the cleaning. If you want to see it clean with me, let me know. Everything is taken up just to be put away and to do another style decor for my, I don't know if I'll do a winter decor or I'll just clean and just let the house get a breather from all of the stuff. Guys, if you like what I'm doing here, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification that when I upload videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. This year I did not do my formal living room and formal dining room and downstairs, but look forward to new videos coming up. Bye for now.